Hi everyone, welcome to Tip Time Thursday, and today we're going to talk about the subconscious or psychological reasons why you may have clutter in your house. So, if you have a clutter problem in your house, there is a reason for it, meaning it is serving you in some way. So just a quick story. If you have an area in your house that no matter how many times you declutter it, your desk or something, it always ends up cluttering, somehow, some way, deep down, that habit is serving you in some way. You're getting something out of it. So what I suggest you do is sit down and be quiet with yourself for 15-20 minutes and try to list the reasons that that clutter is serving you. Like one person I know had a problem with her desk always being cluttered, and when she sat down she realized that she did it on purpose, so if people wanted to come over and visit her or spend time with her or spend the night at her house, she could always say, no, my house is too messy, I can't have company. So really the issue wasn't the clutter. She really needed to learn a better way how to set boundaries and say no to people without having her house always being a mess, because keeping your house neat and tidy is a form of self-care, and if you really love yourself, you know deep down that you deserve a clean and sparkly house. So I want you to sit down and think about your problem clutter areas and think about getting down to how it's serving you, what you're getting out of it. And this can also work in most every area of your life. If you're having a problem that keeps reoccurring over and over and over, deep down, subconsciously, you are getting something out of that. That problem is serving you in some way. And I think you'll find that if you get in touch with the reason of how it's serving you, you may be able to find a way to get over that problem and move on. And of course, you'll find another problem that you need to solve, because that's just life. But that's how it is. Thanks for joining me on this Tip Time Thursday. Subscribe to my newsletter on my website and get weekly tips on how to clean your house faster, how to clean your house better, decluttering, and organizing. Thanks, guys.